Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, how are you all? I'm also fine.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum
How
salam.
are you? Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, in last class we have learned how to write 3-digit number names. Okay. Some boys were doing mistakes, so I am telling what mistake they were doing. Okay, so listen carefully. So let us take a number, 3-digit number. Okay, this is a 3-digit number, 453. Okay, this 3 is at ones place, 5 is at tens place, and 4 is at hundreds place. So I told you that when we write number names, so we start number names of 3-digit number, so we break the number into two parts. Okay, in first part we will take the 100 place digit only. Okay, and in second part remaining 2 digits. So we will write number names of 4 first. Okay, so 4 is at 100 place, so what we will write? 400. Okay, and in second part 53 we will write together 53. And some students have done like this: 4500, 4500 3. So which one is correct, students? Tell me. Yes, first one is correct. Okay, this one is correct, this one is wrong. Okay, why it is wrong? Because we don't have to take this 45 together, these two numbers we don't have to take. Okay, because 4 is at 100 place only, 4 is at 100 place, so we will write 400, not 4500. 5 is at tens place. Okay, we will not take these two numbers together. Okay, we'll take in first part we'll take 4. Okay, and then second part 53. 453, not 4503. Okay, this one is totally wrong, this one is correct only. So this was a mistake only, so take care of this. Okay, everyone understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta.
Which page number? I write in my notebook.
No need to write this. Okay, so let's start today's topic, which is place value and face value. So can anyone tell what is place value of a number? Anyone want to tell what is place value of a number?
Sir, hundreds, tens, and one. Sir,
What is place value?
10.
Okay, so I am telling you, place value is the value of the digit according to its place or position in the number. Okay, I'm writing here on the whiteboard. You can take out your notebooks. Our today's topic is place value and face value. So first we will talk about place value. Okay, first listen carefully, then I will give you time to write. Okay, so the definition of place value is place value is the value of the digits according to its place. Okay, according to its place or position in the number. So when we write a number, so we put the digits according to its place. Okay, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay, we write 3-digit number in 3 places: ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So each digit of a 3-digit number having a place value. Okay, so place value is the value of the digit according to its place or position in the number. So let's take an example. Let's take a number 99. It is a 2-digit number. Okay, so let's mark the places also. This is ones place and this one is tens place. Okay, so here we have to find the value, place value of each digit. Okay, so first we will start from this. Okay, so 9 is at ones place. Okay, so what is the value of 9 here? 9 is at ones place, so the value of 9 is 9 only. Okay, 9 ones is 9. Okay, now the second number is at tens place. This is also 9. Okay, so 9 tens. 9 is at tens place, so 9 tens is equals to, students, 9 tens is equals to
190.
beta 9 is at tens place, so 9 tens is equals to 90, not 100. It is not at hundreds place. It is a 2-digit number only. So this 9 is at ones place, first 9. So that's why the value of 9 ones is 9. And the second 9 is at tens place. This one 9 is at tens place. So 9 tens. So 9 tens is equals to 90. 9090. Okay. So both the digits are same, 9. Okay, but the values of each digit is different. Okay, digits are same here. At ones place also 9, and at tens place it is also 9. Both the digits are same, but the value is different. Place value of each digit is different. because of 9 is at ones place here, so 9 ones is 9, so the value of this 9 is 9, and the value of second 9 is 90 because it is at tens place, so 9 tens is equals to 90. Okay, digits are same but values are different. So let's take another example. Now I'm taking a 3-digit number. Okay, so let's mark the places. Ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. Okay, now we'll find the place value of each digit in this number. Okay, so this will start from the here. Okay, so this 2 is at ones place, 2 is at ones place, so we can say we have 2 ones, so 2 ones is equals to, yes students, tell, 2 ones is equals to
2.
yes, very good, very good. So 2 ones is equals to 2, so we'll write 2 here. Okay, the place value of 2 is 2 only because it is at ones place, so 2 ones is equals to 2 only. Okay, now 8 is at tens place, so it means we have 8 tens, so 8 tens is equals to, students, 80. Very good, mashallah, very good. So 8 is at tens place, so the value of 8 is 8 tens, 8 tens is equals to 80, so we'll write 80 here. Okay, now at last we have 4 which is at hundreds place. Okay, so 4 we will read it as 400. Okay, 400 is equals to, tell quickly,
400.
very good. So 4 is at hundreds place, so that's why the value of this 4 is 400. Okay, so we will write 400 like this. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have understood.
So
Yes, sir. I have understood. Yes, sir.
everyone note it down in your notebook quickly. So student, place value is depending on its position. Okay, place value of the digit is depending on its position on the number, at which place it is. Okay, according to that we have to write the place value. Sayyid Humaydullah, why are you writing 4000? Beta, we are studying only 3-digit number here. The value of 4 is 400 because it is at hundreds place. I haven't told 4-digit number yet. So note it down quickly. After this I will tell you face value. Is it done, everyone? Is it done?
No,
Beta, page number I will tell you later. Whatever I'm telling you, write in your notebook. I will tell you page number when we will do exercises. Okay. Okay, student, now come on the second part, which is face value. So what is face value? Face value is the value of the digit itself. Okay, the face value is the value of the digit itself. So student, face value is the value of the digit itself. It doesn't depend on place on which the digit is. Okay, place value is depending on the position of the digit, whether it is on ones place, tens place, or hundreds place. It will depend. Okay, place value, but the face value doesn't depend on position. Okay, for example, we have a number 88. Okay, so this is ones place, this is tens place. Okay, so what is the face value of 8 here? I told you face value doesn't depend on places. Okay, it will not depend on one's place, whether is on one's place, tens place, no matter. Okay, just we have to write the digit as it is. Okay, the value of this number is 8 only. Okay, so we'll write 8 here. The face value of 8 is 8. Okay, now can you tell me what is the face value of 8? The second 8, this one, this one. No beta, it will not be 80. I told you face value doesn't depend on place. Okay, it is at tens place, but we will not read it as 80. Okay, we have to write the face value. So face value is the value of the digit itself. So the value of this digit is 8 only. Okay, this is the difference between face value and place value. Okay, in face value we write the digit itself. Okay, so the value of first 8 is 8, and this 8 is the value face value of this 8 is also 8. Okay, it will not be 80. 80 is the place value. Okay, but we are talking here about face value. So face value is the value of digit itself. So let's take another example. So here we have a number 432. Okay, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Here we will write the face value of each digit in this number. Okay, so let's start from here. So it is 2. So the face value of 2 is 2 only. Same number we will write. We'll write the digit itself. Okay, can you tell me what is the face value of 3? Face value of 3. Yes, students. Mashallah, very good. So the face value of 3 is 3 only. Okay, face value doesn't depend on place. Okay, it is at tens place, but we are writing the face value only. So the face of this 3 is 3 only. Okay, we'll make the digit as it is. It is 3, so we'll make 3. Okay, the face value is 3 itself. Now can you tell me what is the face value of 4? It is at hundreds place. So what is the face value of 4? Mashallah, very good. So the face value of 4 is 4 only. Okay, face value of 4 is 4. And if we talk about the place value of 4, so place value of 4 will be 400, because 4 is at 100 place, so the place value is 400. But when we talk about face value, so we will write the digit as it is. Okay, 4. So the face value of 2 is 2, face value of 3 is 3, face value of 4 is 4 only. Okay, we will write the digit as it is. Okay, I hope you all have understood the face value as well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I have understood. I have understood, sir. Yes, sir.
Mashallah, very good. So now copy it quickly. Face value. In face value, we write the same digit only. Okay, no matter on which position it is. Write it down quickly in your notebook. Those who have not done, I will share these pages on WhatsApp group. You can copy from there. Okay, leave some space for this. So student, let's take example. Suppose we have a number 329. Okay, it is at ones place. This is 2 is at tens place and 3 is at hundreds place. Okay, this is place value column, this one is face value. Okay, so this first column is of place value. Here we will write place value, and in second column we will write face value only. Okay, of each digit of this number. Okay, so let's start writing the place value of 9. So for place value we need to know the correct place at which place the number is, the digit is. Okay, it depends on place or position. So 9 is at ones place, so the place value of 9 is, yes students, place value of 9 is 9. Very good. Beta 90. Who is saying 90? How 90? Beta, it is on ones place only. So 9 ones is 9. 9 ones is equals to 9 only. Okay, the place value of 9 is 9. And what is the face value of 9? Yes students, what is the face value of 9? Yes, don't shout. So the face value is also 9. Okay, in face value we write the digit itself. Okay, so 9, we will write 9. So the place value of 9 is 9 and face value is also 9. Now come on the second digit, which is 2. So 2 is at tens place. Okay, first we will write the place value. So place value depends on the place at which the digit is. So this 2 is at tens place. So we have 2 tens. Tell me the value of place value of 2. Place value of 2. Yes, very good. Okay, place value, to find out the place value we need to know the place of the digit. Okay, at which place it is. So this 2 is at tens place. Okay, so the value of 2 is 2 tens. 2 tens is equals to 20. We will write 20 here. Okay, okay, so the place value of 2 is 20, because place value depends on the place, the position of the digit. Okay, so 2 tens is there, 2 is at tens place, so the value of place value of 2 is 20. Now tell me the face value of 2. Place value is 20. What is the face value? Very good. Face value is 20. Okay, because 2 is at tens place, so that's why the face value is place value is 20. But the face value is 2 only. Okay, in face value we will write the digit itself. Okay, so 2, we will write 2 as it is here in the face value. Okay, now at last place value of 3. Tell me quickly place value of 3.
300.
mashallah, very good, because 3 is at hundreds place. Okay, so 300 is equals to, we have 300s here. Okay, so we'll write 300. Okay, 3 and 2 zeros, it is 300. Place value of 3 is 300. Now tell me the face value of 3. Face value of 3 is
3.
yes, mashallah. So face value of 3 is 3 only. Okay, in face value we are just writing the digits itself. Okay, 9 9, the face value of 2 is 2, face value of 3 is 3 only. Same digits we will write. Okay, because in face value doesn't depend on position or place. Let's take another example of this type. Four 459 here. Okay, 9 is at ones place, 5 is at tens place, and 4 is at hundreds place. Okay, here we will write place value. Okay, here face value. Okay, student, do it by yourself, this second part, and do it quickly. In first column you have to write the place value. Okay, and in second column face value of each digit. Yes, Tulunur, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, what is the place value of 9?
9.
And what is the face value of 9?
9.
And place value of 5?
50.
And face value of 5?
5.
Mashallah, very good. Yes, Shams Malik, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me the place value of 4.
Sir, 100. Sir, 400.
Yes, 4 is at 100 place, so the value of 4 is, place value of 4 is 400, not 100. Okay,
Sir, 4.
and,
Sir, 400.
and what is the face value of 4?
Sir, 4.
Very good. Yes, Fatima Suleiman.
Yes, sir.
Tell me face value of 5 in this 459. What is the face value of 5?
5.
And place value of 5?
50.
माशाल्लाह, वेरी गुड. अरहम नईम खान.
Yes, sir.
What is the place value of 4 in this number?
400.
And what is the face value of 4?
4.
Okay, very good. Mohammed, unmute your mic. Mohammed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, tell me the face value of 5. Yes.
And 5.
And place value of 5?
5.
Place value of 5.